Greetings to all and a warm welcome. Today, I will be delving into a topic known as structural functionalism in the sociology of education. Let's explore this concept together and uncover its significance in understanding the dynamics of education within the broader social context. Let us first try to understand what is structural functionalism. Structural functionalism is like a big puzzle that helps us understand how society fits together and functions as a whole. It's a way of looking at the different parts of society and how they work together to keep things running smoothly. Structural functionalism is like looking at society as a big, well-organized puzzle. Each piece has a job, and when they all fit together, it helps keep society stable and running smoothly. Just like a machine needs all its parts, society needs its institutions, like education, to work together for everything to work well. Key ideas of structural functionalism. 1. Society as an organism. Picture this. Think of society as a living organism, just like a human body with different parts. How it works. Each part of society, like family, education, and government, has a specific role, just like organs in a body. 2. Manifest and latent functions. What does this mean? Structural functionalism looks at the obvious jobs, manifest functions, and the hidden or unexpected jobs, latent functions, that different parts of society have. Example, in school, the obvious job is teaching, manifest function, but it also helps shape how we act in society, latent function. 3. Social stability and order, big picture. The theory says that for society to work well, there needs to be stability and order. How it maintains stability? Institutions like family and education help keep things stable by teaching rules, norms, and values. 4. Roles of social institutions. In a nutshell, social institutions, like schools, play important roles in keeping society running smoothly. Example, schools not only teach us math and science, manifest function, but also how to behave and follow rules, latent function. Let me now discuss the application of structural functionalism in the sociology of education. 1. Education as a social institution. Structural functionalism views education as a vital social institution with specific functions, including the transmission of knowledge, socialization, and the allocation of roles in society. Manifest functions, formal education and academic achievement. Latent functions, socialization into societal norms and values. 2. Societal equilibrium through education. Education contributes to the maintenance of societal equilibrium by preparing individuals for their roles and integrating them into the larger social structure. Comparison, like the organs in a body, each fulfilling a specific function, education contributes to the overall health and stability of society. 3. Social change within a stability framework. Structural functionalism suggests that societal changes should occur gradually to maintain equilibrium, and education plays a role in facilitating this process. Example, educational reforms might be viewed positively if they contribute to societal stability rather than causing abrupt disruptions. Strengths and criticisms of structural functionalism. Strengths. Systematic framework provides a systematic framework for understanding the functions of social institutions. Emphasis on stability emphasizes the importance of stability and order for societal well-being. Criticisms, oversimplification, may oversimplify social dynamics by focusing predominantly on stability. Limited perspective, critics argue that it may not adequately address issues of inequality and conflict, offering a somewhat one-sided view. Conclusion. In delving into the sociology of education through the lens of structural functionalism, we uncover a perspective that emphasizes the cohesive functioning of educational institutions within the broader societal framework. Education is seen as a vital component contributing to social order, stability, and the preparation of individuals for their roles in society. While appreciating its insights, it is crucial to acknowledge the limitations of structural functionalism and complement it with other sociological perspectives for a more nuanced understanding of the complexities inherent in the sociology of education. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokin Bilan.